World travelers visit Rome each year to walk these very cobblestone streets, which have been here for centuries. But the Italian city says that some of these streets will soon be replaced to make for smoother roadways. The plan is set in stone. 68 avenues in the capital city will soon be ripped up and replaced with asphalt, in hopes of improving Rome's uneven streets and potholes, which are known for causing bumpy rides for motorists. Rome resident Alexandra Bianchi says she hopes the government's decision restores and even beautifies the city.
I hope this political class will bring the beautiful city back to the perfect, and Rome come back beautiful.
You may be wondering, where are the stones going? The city said the cobblestones pulled up will actually be reused, relaying 118 streets with stone, in some cases even replacing the asphalt that lines parts of Rome's modern shopping districts. The stones were first laid in the 16th century here in St. Peter's Square in the Vatican, and have since expanded into Rome. While St. Peter's Square is safe, some tourists say the area is losing ties to its past.
Here in Rome, it's beautiful, but the capacity of people that come through here, not just in a day, but within an hour, is massive to say the least. So the city, I can see where they need the city to be not just historic, but functional. And sadly, with time, infrastructure goes down and you have to replace it, but they're just making sure that it's level. But they are sadly having to mess with history.
The city says the project will begin later this year. So, when in Rome, you may be roaming newly paved streets. In Rome, Brady Talbert, Troy, TrojanVision News.